Hello friends, on this video, if you don't know how to video call on your mobile phone, so how you can video call on your mobile phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all friends, here you can see you have to install WhatsApp. Okay, after you install WhatsApp, then only you have to move on WhatsApp app. When you finish to install WhatsApp app, from here you have to click on WhatsApp. Then from here you have to click on your mobile phone number. Example like here is the call app option. From here you just click on call app. Then from here you can call to your friends. Okay, if you want to call to your friends, then you can call from here. And friends, if you don't know how to call, then you can check how to WhatsApp call. Okay, but this is the option how you can call video call. Even you can call from the call app also. When you click on your call app, from here you can see there is many numbers on your mobile phone, but from here you can see there is some mobile phones here, but you can select one of the mobile phone number. From here you just call on it. Okay, so there is no video call option. Then from here through WhatsApp you can call, through Instagram and through Facebook also you can do video call. Okay, and friends, hope you love the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.